My name is Vidhatri. I am studying 2nd standard in Rotary Midtown Academy School, Mysore. Today I will prepare Muskmelon Panaka. The ingredients required: 1 liter of cool boiled water, 1 cup of jaggery, 1 grated muskmelon, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ilachi powder, and a pinch of salt and lemon. Okay, let us start. Take jaggery, mix it into water. Mix it into water and stir well. Now add muskmelon. Now pepper powder, ilachi powder, and a pinch of salt and lemon. Taste for lemon. Okay, stir well. Healthy panaka is ready to drink. Avoid cool drinks. Be healthy. Thank you.